Put socks on the vacuum cleaner. This way, the vacuum cleaner will gain new properties. Surely no one has shown you this yet. Thanks to this, you'll help yourself in many situations. Socks on the vacuum cleaner will save you at the least expected moment. Every day, the vacuum cleaner is used to remove dirt and dust from the floor. Whenever it's needed, you reach for it and clean the entire floor or carpet. But simple socks are enough to use the vacuum cleaner for another purpose. Detach the hose from the vacuum cleaner pipe. Only this part of the vacuum hose will be needed. Take a sock. It doesn't have to be a matching pair. Instead of throwing it away, use it for this trick. Insert it into the vacuum cleaner pipe, but not the whole sock. Roll the sock outside the tube. Use a rubber band to attach the sock to the pipe. This way, an unusual attachment in the vacuum cleaner has been created. The sock has created a bag inside the tube. When valuable items spill accidentally, such as beads or even jewelry, you can quickly and safely pick them up with this trick. Just use this vacuum cleaner trick. Turn on the vacuum cleaner and clean up. These things won't end up in the big bag in the vacuum cleaner. They'll be in a small bag made of a sock. Thanks to this, you can always vacuum various small items that have spilled and that you don't want to lose. When guests are about to arrive, I sprinkle this on the carpet, and it's as good as new. It's a simple and cost-effective way to quickly refresh the carpet. You don't have to send it for professional cleaning, and you don't need to use harmful chemicals. You can bring back its luster and fresh scent using a homemade method. And the best part is, it won't break the bank. Carpets accumulate dust and dirt. Even regular vacuuming doesn't clean them effectively. It becomes a breeding ground for bacteria, germs, dust mites, and mold. That's when it starts to develop an unpleasant odor. And that's when you can quickly freshen it up. This method works for all types of carpets, even the soft, long pile ones by the bed. This homemade and eco-friendly carpet cleaning solution will also get rid of dust mites and eliminate mold spores. It deters ants and even bed bugs. The unpleasant smell of staleness and dirt will vanish. Before you quickly freshen any carpet at home, make sure to vacuum it thoroughly first. Then reach for a household item from your kitchen cabinet that will tackle the bad odor, dust mites, mold, and even bed bugs. You can use it as often as you like. Just sprinkle it over the carpet. It's good to distribute it evenly, so you can use a sieve if you want. Then spread it across the entire carpet with a clean broom or brush. The magic ingredient here is baking soda. It will not only eliminate the bad smell and various organisms that may have settled in, but also refresh the colors and clean away minor stains. How do you clean your carpet? A deep cleaning and disinfecting floor wash for the area around the toilet. Into the bucket, pour a bowl of baking soda. It's a slightly abrasive substance, which effectively cleans surfaces of dirt. It has an alkaline reaction, neutralizing acids and absorbing unpleasant odors. Next, add a tablespoon of Domestos. It's a substance that eliminates 99% of germs. It eradicates bacteria, fungi, and viruses. Another ingredient is dish soap. Pour a tablespoon into the bucket. It's excellent for removing greasy stains from the floor. Additionally, it has shining properties and leaves no streaks. Add another dish soap. Then, add half a measure of floor cleaner. It has a lovely scent and makes the floor shine like a mirror. The secret ingredient is fabric softener. Add 1/3 of a measure. Just a bit of this substance is enough. It has anti-static properties. Thanks to it, dust doesn't settle as strongly. Pour everything with a glass of vinegar. If you want a floral scent to linger in the bathroom for many days, you can add a few laundry scent boosters. Pour 2 liters of boiling water into the bucket, then add some cold water. Warm water cleans much more effectively. Additionally, it activates the cleaning substances. With this prepared mixture, wash the floor around and under the toilet. It's the dirtiest place in the entire bathroom. I do such thorough tile cleaning once every 3 months. The unpleasant smell of urine and moisture disappears. Mix and pour into the bucket. You'll quickly find that your floor has never been so clean. Pour into the bucket and mop the floor. With this solution, you only need to mop the floor once a week. It will be clean, shiny, and streak-free for a long time. Put 1 tablespoon of salt into the bowl. Salt has cleaning properties. It effectively removes stains and discoloration. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. This popular product cleans and disinfects all surfaces perfectly. Pour in 2 tablespoons of dishwashing liquid. Dishwashing liquid is great for removing any greasy stains. The next ingredient is vinegar. Pour in 2 tablespoons. Vinegar degreases, cleans, and shines surfaces. Pour in 3 tablespoons of alcohol. Alcohol has bactericidal and fungicidal properties. It must not be missing from this mixture. It will ensure that the cleaned surfaces are free from germs and microorganisms. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. The mixture will bubble slightly. Pour 1 liter of warm water into the bowl. Mix everything so that the ingredients combine with the water. Add another liter of water. Warm water makes the solution more effective. Such a solution is perfect for cleaning and disinfecting floors at home. Pour the solution into the bucket. This amount is enough to mop the floor. Add lime juice. It will make the floor smell pleasant. Take a mop, dip it, and wring it out. Now you just need to mop the floors. They will be clean, shiny, and 100% free of bacteria, viruses, and dust mites. Soak mothballs in fabric softener. This trick will save you money. You won't be spending as much anymore. Thanks to this, your home will never be the same again. All you need are mothballs. A small package of such balls is enough. Take out just 3 balls. Take a piece of paper towel, place the mothballs on it. Wrap them and crush them with a kitchen hammer into a fine powder. Transfer the crushed mothballs into a large bowl, one that you use for cleaning or laundry. Pour in a liter of warm water. Stir the powder to dissolve. Add 150 milliliters of vinegar. Pour in 2 measures of concentrated fabric softener. This will make its pleasant scent more intense. Add 3 tablespoons of dishwashing liquid. And that's it. Just pour in another liter of water. Pour the mixture into a large 2-liter bottle. Make a hole in the cap. This will make using the liquid easier. This liquid is the best floor cleaner, and it's true. It cleans, sanitizes, and disinfects. It also leaves a pleasant scent, but the biggest advantage of this liquid is the mothballs. Thanks to them, the mixture repels all insects, not just moths. The scent of these balls also repels bedbugs, silverfish, and even mice. You no longer have to buy expensive floor cleaners. You also don't have to buy additional products to repel insects and rodents. This homemade liquid is enough. You can use it on all the floors in your home, especially on the bathroom floor, kitchen floor, or by the front door. I'm sure this liquid will be most useful to you.